Today, I am going to share with you one important data. This is the result of a study, though the study has been done in the Western country, but this is very relevant for the Indian diabetic patient. So across the India from east to west, north to south, we Indian do dinner around 9 to 10 p.m. But it is not very healthy habit for a diabetic to dinner to do dinner at late night, right? There are certain reason behind it, so I will discuss that part in the later part of this video. So in this study, the researcher divided the diabetic patient in the two groups. So one group of patient, they are going to complete their dinner around 6 p.m. and the second group, they are completing their dinner around 9 p.m. Now, so they have not checked only the fasting sugar. So you may argue that if I do only the fasting sugar, so those people who are doing dinner at early, so their fasting sugar will be automatically less. No, they have done this study by doing CGM, that is the continuous glucose monitoring. That means they are checking the 24 hours glucose profile in these two groups of patients over a period of 2 weeks. So after the 2 weeks, it has been revealed that those patients who are doing dinner at around 6 p.m., their 24 hours glucose profile is much better than those patients doing dinner at 9 p.m. So why does it happen? As you know that basically blood sugar control is a interplay between two hormones. One is insulin and second is GLP-1. So when we are eating, there is a secretion of insulin from our pancreas, which basically controls sugar and deposits the extra calorie into fat. So fat around the liver or fat around the tummy. So everything excess which we don't require, so that it is converted into fat by insulin. And what is the action of GLP-1? GLP-1 promotes the insulin secretion and it helps to reduce the secretion of the opposite hormone of the insulin called glucagon. And the GLP-1 also prolongs the gastric emptying time, so that for long time the diabetic patients have no appetite, so automatically the blood sugar is controlled and they will be able to reduce their weight. And another function of GLP-1 is that they will depress the hunger center in our brain, so that when the GLP-1 level is high, we do not feel any hunger. So, but the problem of the GLP-1 is as the day progresses, the level of the GLP-1 is gradually decreasing. Means those groups of patients who are doing dinner at 6 p.m., their GLP-1 level is high. But those group of the patients who are doing dinner at 9 p.m. or even later practically have no GLP-1. So doing dinner at 9 p.m., 10 p.m. or late night is not a healthy habit, because you are not getting enough of the GLP-1, a beneficial hormone for the diabetes control. So I think this could be a good lesson for you, so that you adopt a healthy habit of doing dinner early. It is particularly helpful for obese patient and diabetic patient.